Okay, so in this video, I have the 5 best businesses to start right now that can earn you as much as $900 or more per day with very minimal skill required to get started. And all you have to do is choose one of these ideas and execute. See, every day, ordinary people like you are turning their lives around and making millions of dollars, running businesses just like the ones I'm about to show you in this video. But unfortunately, this golden time we're in, this opportunity, it will not last for forever. And yes, action and effort on your part will always be a requirement, but those who take advantage of it can really achieve true financial freedom. And those who miss out on this opportunity, well, they'll likely remain in the 99%, having to trade their time for money, working a 9-to-5 job, and living paycheck to paycheck. And hey, if that's what you want to do, that's cool too. More power to you. But if you truly feel like you're meant for more in life and you want to reach financial freedom, then this video is for you, because I'm going to be giving you an exact blueprint of what you need to get started with your first successful online business. Now, before we dive in and talk about the 5 businesses, I do want to let you know what I'm going to do. I'm going to be rating these businesses 0 to 10, 10 being the best, just so you can have a better idea of what business is best for you. Okay, let's get into it. The first business that I recommend anybody starting is becoming a content creator. This is honestly one of the simplest ways to generate thousands of dollars per month, and literally anybody can do it from the comfort of their home. Simply put, a content creator is anyone who posts written, video, or photo content on the internet and makes a living from it. There are so many versions of what it means to be a content creator these days. I would be an example of a content creator, people like Ali Abdaal, Dan Koe. These content creators have scaled their businesses to the tune of multiple 6 figures per month. I'm currently scaling up to generate $10,000 a month as a content creator. It definitely takes time to get to that level, but it's possible for anyone. If you have any desire at all to become a content creator, I highly recommend reading the book Steal Like an Artist and Show Your Work by Austin Kleon. Now, becoming a content creator is not that complicated. All you have to do is start by picking a niche that you're interested in. For example, I love talking about making money and business, so that's what I pick and that's what I choose to make content about. And then the next step is literally one word, and that is start. Just start creating short form video content and post it on TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube. Starting with long form video like the one you're watching right now on YouTube, it can be a bit of a challenge to get started because it is a little complicated, but it's not impossible. If you're completely lost and you're not sure what type of content to make, just do some digging and find other content creators in the space that you want to go with and see what they're doing, see how they're winning, and just try your best to replicate what they're doing. A little tip you'll learn after reading Steal Like an Artist, the best thing to do is take 5 or 10 of your favorite creators, take a little bit from this one, take a little bit from that one, kind of mix it all together and start creating, and suddenly you're a unique creator, right? There's no need to reinvent the wheel, especially at first. The reason that being a content creator is so rewarding is once you create a piece of content, it lives on the internet for forever. And with that piece of content, you can make a ton of money by promoting different services and products to your audience. It's basically like virtual real estate that just keeps generating income over a long period of time. And it takes very little upfront investment to start doing. Really, the only investment is your time and effort. You can also get to the point where you're being paid by sponsors to talk about their product or their service on whatever channel it is that you're posting on. And on sites like YouTube, and YouTube is king, remember that, posting videos on YouTube and creating an audience on YouTube, should be probably your main goal, at least your top goal eventually, because posting on sites like YouTube, you make money when people watch the ads that are shown on your videos. So if I were to rate this business idea from 1 to 10, 10 being the best, I would give it a very strong 9. It's extremely beginner friendly. Literally anybody can do it. Most people on planet Earth have a smartphone, and honestly, that's all you need to start posting on YouTube. A smartphone and free editing apps will get you miles farther than you would ever imagine. The only thing standing between you and success down that road is to just start, and I really encourage you to do that right now. Okay, so the next business that I want to talk about is selling products on Amazon. As of right now, I've yet to make any income selling anything on Amazon, but I know sellers that are making 5 and 6 figures a month doing it. Now, if you're new to running a business, I wouldn't recommend selling any physical products on Amazon, as there's a lot of overhead and an upfront investment required. But the good news is that you have the options to create and sell digital products. It's way simpler, and the best part is you can get started today with little to no money required. Okay, so how this works is essentially you'll be creating a low content book like a puzzle book or a coloring book using a software online called BookBolt. Using BookBolt, you can find trending topics that people are looking for. You pick one, create a book within just a few minutes, and then upload that book to sell via Amazon's KDP. So when someone goes on Amazon to purchase your book for $10, Amazon themselves, they create the book, They ship it out directly to your customer, and you make the $10 minus Amazon's fees. I mean, Amazon, they do take care of everything, so the fees make sense at the end of the day. And hey, you didn't have to do that much in the first place creating the book. I mean, you don't have to pay for traffic, you don't print the book or package it, and you don't have to handle any of the logistics or shipping. The best part is you can kind of see this as an infinite money glitch. You never have to worry about inventory because Amazon only prints the book when someone buys it, which means you'll never run out of copies of the books to sell, and you can just keep making sale after sale after sale. I give this business a 6 out of 10, and here's why. While selling books on Amazon is pretty straightforward, as I explained, Amazon is pretty competitive. It can be really hard for beginners to know how to scale. In order to make a lot of sales, you need to have the best product on Amazon because you're competing with a ton of other people. But hey, if you like this idea, I encourage you to give it a shot. I mean, the process of creating the books is simple enough. And then you can create a bunch of listings under the same brand and just get your reps in, learn what's working, learn what types of books sell the best, create as many books as possible, and just learn from your mistakes. Eventually, you will find a winner, and at that point, you can look into learning how to run ads that promote that book and start to scale. And hey, if you like learning about how to make money online, I recommend subscribing to this channel right now because I post 2 videos just like this every single week. And if you don't subscribe and you don't hit that bell button, YouTube won't show you these videos when I post them. And you might even miss the one that could change everything for you. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's completely free and you can always change your mind. Okay, so business number 3, that is starting a dropshipping brand. So for those of you who don't know, dropshipping is when you create a custom website with a website builder like Shopify, and then you research and add products to your store with a supplier like AutoDS or Zendrop. And when a customer comes to your website and purchases a product, your wholesaler will ship the product directly to that customer. You don't need to hold any inventory or worry about shipping the product yourself because the supplier takes care of all that. So your only job after choosing the right products is to promote that product by running ads on social media. And let me explain how you can do this successfully long term and build a brand that can make you consistent income. A lot of dropshippers sell a wide variety of products, and this is a tactic that I wouldn't necessarily recommend. I would recommend focusing on one niche. Do a lot of research and test a lot of products in order to find one winner, and then you take that winner and you scale the heck out of it. Eventually, long term, you can establish and build a real brand, a brand that you can exit from later, a brand that you can sell. It's not really just a store selling a bunch of random stuff. It's an actual brand. This happens all the time. I mean, kind of like HiSmile did back in 2017 with the teeth whitening device. They found a winner and absolutely went to the moon with ads and influencer marketing. They are $1 billion brand now, but it really just started with one product. You want to take their advice and you want to do a lot of research and find that one product, something that you're confident that you can make really strong assets for the ads. I mentioned them before, but you can find great products on AutoDS and Zendrop or use the TikTok method. It's where you start a fresh TikTok account and start searching for trending products in the niche that you want to go with. You start making a list of all these products and you look for them on AliExpress and link them to your store. Once your product and your store are ready, the next step is marketing. The easiest and the most scalable way to get sales is by creating viral content on social media. If you can create viral TikTok videos and Instagram reels, you'll be successful. So make sure you pick a product that you can create viral videos with. For example, something like this red light device for your skin is doing well on TikTok. For organic marketing here, I would start by buying a sample and creating some content and posting it across all my socials, especially TikTok. And you don't have to recreate the wheel here with every single video. You think of a video idea and you record it 6, 8, 10 times and only changing the hook. If you go look up at HiSmile, you'll see that they'll post the same video 5, 6, 7 times. The only thing different is the first 2, 3, 4 seconds. Eventually, they'll find a winner in those videos, and that's what they'll use to run an ad with, because they know it'll work, because it's already worked. It's really genius the way that the model that they've proved, right? They don't go spend a bunch of money on ads. They put all their time and effort into organic marketing, right? They have their product. They make video after video after video and just post them for free on TikTok. The same video 10 times. One of them's going to pop, and that's the one that they use to put money into to promote and run ads with in order to scale that product. So I'll give dropshipping a solid 7 out of 10. It's a really great business to start for any beginner, but it does come with some cons. It is tricky to start without at least a few $100s. Like I said before, you'll need samples and you'll most likely need to try 3, 4, maybe 6 or 7 products before you find a winner and before you make any money. But products on AliExpress, they're cheap. Yeah, they take a week or 2 to come in, but pick a few that are trending and that you're confident that you can make really solid videos with and start posting those videos and promoting your store. Okay, so the next business is Pinterest affiliate marketing. It's one of the best businesses to start as a beginner. Truly, really, truly is. For those of you who don't know, affiliate marketing is when you promote a brand's product or service with a unique link. When someone clicks your link and signs up or makes a purchase, you get a commission. You want to start by picking a niche, something like finance, business, health and wellness, home decor, lifestyle, beauty. Any of those are great. And after you do that, you want to go find the best affiliate links in those niches using clickbank.com or impact.com, or you can just Google best affiliate programs for X niche. That's a really great way to find the best affiliate programs out there. Sometimes the best ones aren't on impact.com or ClickBank. Sometimes you want to sign up directly with brands themselves, and they will provide you with a unique link. But once you have your niche and some affiliate links, the next step is creating pins on Pinterest that promote these links. Pinterest is really great because from a marketer's perspective, it's pretty low competition compared to other platforms. And there are really two ways for promoting affiliate links on Pinterest, and that's posting content or running ads. Obviously, I'm going to lean to the free side, and that's just creating great pins and posting that content for free, especially if you're a beginner. Here's an example of a post on Pinterest promoting an affiliate link. See, when someone clicks on this link and signs up or buys the product, the person promoting it makes a commission. You can create images just like this really easily using a tool like Kittl. I'll post it down in the description below for you to check out. But I'm going to give this business idea a solid 9 out of 10 because affiliate marketing is extremely easy to start, and affiliate marketing on Pinterest is easy to start, and there's lower competition compared to other platforms like I mentioned before. It doesn't require any money to get started, and it's extremely scalable long term. And you don't even have to show your face if you don't want to. And I mean, also, most content creators, they are affiliate marketers, really, since they promote affiliate links to their audience. So these business ideas really do go hand in hand. The final business number 5, I think is a really solid option, and that's selling digital products on Etsy. It is hands down one of the best beginner-friendly businesses to start. For those of you who don't know what it means to sell digital products, selling digital products means offering items like downloadable art, planners, or templates that customers can buy and instantly download, and there's no need for shipping or inventory. To start, you pick a niche and you decide on the type of digital product that you want to create. Things like printable wall art, wedding invitations, resume templates, stickers, and you do some research and see what's working for other people creating similar products. You don't want to pick a niche that isn't performing well if your intention is the quickest success possible. You want to ensure that you're seeing plenty of sales in whatever category you're interested in going with. And once you found your niche, you can start creating your products using tools like Canva and Kittl. These products make it super easy to design high quality digital products, even if you have no graphic design experience. Etsy is a fantastic platform because it already has millions of users searching for unique digital products every single day, which means you don't have to spend as much time or money on any marketing. I mean, here's an example. Let's say you create a set of printable motivational quotes like this using Canva. You upload the files to your Etsy store, and once a customer purchases, Etsy handles the download for you. There's really nothing much you have to do after creating the product and loading it onto Etsy for sale. All you need to do is to keep creating great products and adding new listings to your profile. And speaking of listings, you want to make sure you optimize them properly. You want to make sure you have all the relevant keywords in your title, in the product description, and make sure you have all the tags that you need to make sure that when someone searches for items like yours can rank as close to the top as possible. And honestly, you can sell all sorts of items. I can't even begin to list them all here. I mean, things like fonts and logos, stickers, even like print on demand stuff, coffee cups, hats, socks, t-shirts, huge wall art, shirts for your dogs or onesies for your babies. Really, there's literally anything. I mean, a template for anything, templates for your resume, wedding invitation, get well soon cards, anniversary cards. I mean, I'm literally just kind of shooting from the hip here. Any niche, anything you think could be a digital product is available on Etsy, and it's an opportunity for you to at least shoot your shot, right? Think of something, go to Kittl, go to Canva, and just try, right? Go on there and just try to think of something to create a profile on Etsy. It's free. And I think when you sell something, it's like 20 cents per sale, and then they get a commission of some sort. I'm not really sure. I'll post the cut of the sale that they take right here on the screen. I'm not sure what it is right off the top of my head, but I'll give this business a solid 8 out of 10 because it's easy to start and requires little to no upfront money. It really does offer a great way to generate passive income. What keeps it from being a 9 or a 10 out of 10 is there is maybe a little bit of a learning curve to learn tools like Kittl and Canva and knowing how to export things properly and load it onto Etsy. But once you do it a couple of times, you'll definitely get the hang of it and you'll realize that the learning curve wasn't that steep. But I'm going to go ahead and say and give a heads up, like, yeah, there is a little bit of learning curve there. But there are so many successful Etsy stores out there that were started by people exactly like you. You're sitting there wondering, am I even capable of creating digital products? I'm not a graphic designer. Those are the exact people who crush it on Etsy. Those are the exact people who just started and scaled their brand into a full-time business. And there you have it. Those are, in my opinion, the 5 best online businesses that anyone could start right now. All of them requiring little to no money at all. The most important thing here, probably of this whole video, is to just pick one and to go all in. Give it your all, like shoot your shot, like I mentioned before. I mean, starting is really a difficult step, but what's really more difficult is to start and to keep going, especially when things get tough and those learning curves maybe become a little bit harder than you expected. You have to decide at the beginning that you have to choose to do this and do it long enough until you start seeing some success, until you start seeing those positive results. But I encourage you to start today and don't give up. I believe in you. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. It really does mean a lot. It really helps. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one.